So a lot of dropshipping stores still launch with GIFs like this that are ultra scammy and don't really do anything. GIFs and photos like this hurt conversions, they look bad, and they scream unprofessional. Yes, you can create stuff like this with AI, and yes, it has a ton of information, but does it really help you convert people into buyers, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create images like this and GIFs like this for your e-commerce brand so that when people come to your store, they know that they're dealing with a professional, even though it's just you sitting at your house running a drop shipping store. Now, this workflow is extremely easy. It takes just minutes for you to get all of these amazing images and build just like this for your e-commerce store, right? Look at this one where the person is using the product right here, right? Look at this before and after. How crazy would that look? Look at this, how the product works. Look at this, a different angle. Look at this, the product's being turned on. Over here, look at how great this before after looks. And look at this, just a fashion lifestyle. So these are 6 essential GIFs that I feel like every single dropshipping store needs to have: a hero demo, a problem GIF, a 3 feature GIFs before, after, and a lifestyle GIF. Again, I'm going to show you how you can generate these images and these type of GIFs for your e-commerce store. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Ali, and every single day on this channel, I upload content about e-commerce and dropshipping, specifically how you can use AI to level up your e-commerce and dropshipping store. So if this is something that you find interesting, I highly recommend hitting the like button so we get recommended more, and subscribing to the channel so that you don't miss out on daily videos. So the way that I build this is actually by using an AI employee. So to get started, go to shopfunnels.net and go to the AI Employees Vault. I'll leave the link down in the description below, and go to the ShopFunnels Essential Image Generator. This is where you're going to be able to get access to our Essential If GIF Creator version 2. Click here to access AI Employee. Over here, you're going to see this 7-page set of instructions. What you're going to want to do is copy this entire document. Once that's done, you're going to want to go to claude.ai, and then you're going to want to paste this entire document in and hit enter. When you paste something, it doesn't show up down, especially if it's long. It's just going to show up as an attached file. So I've already created all of my GIFs using this AI employee. I'm going to show you how that works so that you can follow along this training and do the same. So this is an AI employee that works pretty much automatically. Once you run this prompt, what ends up happening is that Claude turns into a GIF generator, and it asks you questions. As long as you answer its very basic questions, it's going to help guide you through step by step how to create all of these photos and videos and GIFs for your e-commerce brand. So the first thing it's asking us is, what's the product, right? So typically you're going to want to have your supplier open. Essentially, I just went to AliExpress and I'm using this skin tightening wand product as an example here, right? So I just downloaded all of my suppliers' images. This is very important, okay? Make sure that you click and you download all of your suppliers' images over here, and you upload them. And another thing that you're going to want to upload is actually a video of how the product's being used. Now, that is important because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to train the AI on how the product actually glides over the skin. The AI doesn't really know how this product works. So you're going to need to find a video of your product being used, and that's how you're going to be able to generate some really, really amazing GIFs, okay? So just go to TikTok, type in, something to do with your product, right? And find at least one video of the product being used. This can be an ad, this can be a TikTok video, whatever you want it to be, right? But you're going to need to find a video of the product being used, and then you're going to want to go ahead and copy that link and then head over to snaptic.app, paste it in here, all right? And then hit download. When you do that, what ends up happening is it takes that video from TikTok and it allows you to download it. And after you download it, I want you to go to easygif.com/video to JPEG. Now, the reason you're going to want to do that is you're going to want to be able to upload the video of the influencer that you found using the product. All right. And then you're going to want to, it's going to automatically ask you, how long this video is. So essentially our video over here is about 14 seconds long. It's already calculated that. Great. Then what you can do is hit convert to JPEG. When you hit convert to JPEG, what ends up happening is it goes through the entire video and starts taking screenshots. And this screenshotting is very important because we're going to use this to then go ahead and create all of the GIFs, okay? Then we're going to hit this button called download frames as zip, which ends up taking all of these images and turning it into one file. We then take that file and upload it to Claude along with our other images and some details about the product, and that's how we do the product upload. Claude will then go through all of the information that it's received, and it'll make some assumptions as well, but it's gone ahead and very much understood what the product is and how it works. Then you're going to prompt it to continue. When you hit that, what ends up happening is it goes ahead and plans 7 GIFs that will be perfect to be able to sell the product. In this case, it's talked about the hero shot, a problem solution, the LEDs, the air shot mode, the LCD, the before after, and the lifestyle image. If you're happy with these 7 GIFs, all you're going to want to do is say yes, and then it starts planning out each GIF step by step. And this is where things get really, really specific and super easy for you to do. AI video production is very simple. Remember, all AI video production is what is the image that you're going to make with AI of your product, and then how are you going to animate the image into a video. That's all AI video production is. Once this video is made, this video can then be used as your GIF. So step 1, we are going to need to go ahead and generate an image of the product being used. Step 2, we're going to animate that image and turn it into a video or a GIF. And that's what this AI employee helps us do. First step is it's going to help us generate the image. And then the second step is it's going to help us animate it and make it into a video. And to create all of these images and videos, we're going to need to be able to use a tool that allows us to create high quality images and videos fast. The tool that I've been using for the longest time has been topview.ai. I use them pretty much every single day now, and I'm going to leave them linked down below just because it's super easy to use. It is cheaper than other tools, and it has a very nice organizational structure that keeps everything sort of compartmentalized and organized if you have like OCD with this type of stuff. So what you're going to want to do is go to board and go ahead and create a new board. I have multiple different boards for different projects that I'm working on. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new board, and I created one called Skin Tightening Wand. Now your board is going to look pretty empty, but that's completely fine. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go to image edit, and then this is where you start working on the images. Remember, what we're going to do first is we're going to create an image, and then we're going to go ahead and animate it. To create the image, let's just follow the instructions that the AI employee has given us. Now, what it's telling us to do is upload these 3 images along with this set of instructions, and we're going to go ahead and generate an image. As you guys can see, for this image, I did exactly that, right? I uploaded the 3 images that it asked, and it'll actually go and tell you what are the names of the 3. Remember, we've uploaded all of this in the start when we were doing the product intake, so it knows exactly which image it needs for you to upload. What is the set of instructions that you need to upload for you to be able to get the perfect image. So you upload the 3 images and you paste in the text over here. For GIFs, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, and then you can do either 2K or 4K. I'd recommend doing 4K, and then I'd hit 4 outputs and then hit generate. The reason you're going to want to hit 4 outputs is because sometimes when you hit 1, let's say like this, if this was the one that was generated for me, this is not usable because I want the wand facing the person, right? So it just takes multiple tries sometimes to get it right. But if you do batch it at 4 at a time, you're more likely to get the output that you need. Now, what you're going to want to do with these 4 images that it's generated is select the one that you think works the best. For example, for me, this worked the best, and then you're going to want to hit generate video. When you're at generate video, you can use this section right here to select the video generator model. And for me, I just have really not messed with Kling version 3. It just works really well. And then over here, what you're going to want to do is paste in the next prompt, right? And you get this by just saying approved. Once your image has been generated, just hit approved. And then the second step opens up, which is the animation prompt. You copy it in. And then you paste it right here, and then make sure that you have the animation set for 5 seconds. You really don't need more than that. And then turn off your audio and then hit generate. And then what ends up happening is it generates a really nice video. Now, the best part about this video is that it's replayable, okay? Because it will work really, really well as a GIF. And what it's done is it's really made it realistic. The product looks realistic, the skin texture looks realistic, and the way that it's shot and the way that it's framed, it will look really, really good as a GIF. And once that works, you go back to your AI employee, click done, and then it's going to move on to the second GIF. And then you follow the same process. You create the image first, then the animation, then you create the image, then you animate, and you do that step by step. And that's how you start generating all the different animations for your particular GIFs. Now, there will be instances when you're using the AI employee and it's not giving you what you want. For example, in this situation, it was not facing the product towards the influencer. And this is AI, guys. AI isn't perfect, but if you have a good understanding of how to make it work, you can make it perfect. So when you're not getting what you want, right, all you have to do is don't say approved. Just say what the issue is, describe it, and then it'll revise the prompt, okay? And you try that. And then even if that doesn't work, you revise it again. And once you get a prompt that gives you the type of image that you're looking for, that's when you go ahead and hit approved. It'll give you an animation. And then what you're going to want to do is do the same thing, hit generate video and animate it. And then you're going to end up getting the perfect GIF. And then finally, what you can do is download all of these videos and then you can upload them to your Shopify store as videos, or you can upload them as GIFs. How to turn it into a GIF? You just go MP4 video to GIF converter. Again, this is by easygif.com/video to GIF. I'll leave the link down below. You upload your video file, right? Whatever your video file is, and it'll go ahead and generate a GIF file for you. And that's how easy it is to get really good quality images and really nice usable GIFs for your e-commerce store that work really well looped, that showcase a story, and it'll avoid you using very ultra low quality GIFs like this, right? That really just take customers away from you versus using stuff like this that will get you more and more customers. I hope you guys enjoyed this little training. Again, you guys can get access to not just the AI employee that I told you about right now, but literally a ton more usable AI employees that not only give you the ability to do a lot of stuff, but there's also a video training included with each one so that you can know how to use it. To find out how to get access to my AI employee, click here that says find out how to join the white label AI world. I promise you it's worth your time and money. And for those of you guys that are looking to build an e-commerce business, remember we put on a free e-commerce workshop where I show you how to find winning products, how to build really great looking websites and create AI ads and launch your profitable e-commerce business. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will catch you guys tomorrow in the next video.